My name is Robin from the Washoe County Library System, and this is On the Kids Shelf. Do you like winning prizes? And by prizes, I mean bananas. Hold on, hear me out. Crash, Splash, or Moo by author Bob Shea is the perfect book for anyone who loves an action-packed guessing game. Join your host, Mr. McMonkey, as two very odd contestants battle their way through devilishly dangerous stunts. Guess the winner and get a banana. Simple, I think. But just who are these stunt superstars? Well, in the left corner, Action Clown. In the right corner, a cow. Crash, Splash, or Moo will have you cheering, laughing, and applauding with each new challenge. Just who really is the nation's bravest daredevil? Look for Crash, Splash, or Moo at your local Washoe County libraries. In the meantime, let's sing Bananas Unite. Peel bananas, peel, peel bananas. Chop bananas, chop, chop bananas. Mash bananas, mash, mash bananas. Eat bananas, eat, eat bananas. Go bananas! Can you act out the lyrics? How bananas can you go? Rereading Storytime favorites is not just fun, it's also a great way to promote early literacy skills. Young readers love choosing their own books, and they will develop a deeper familiarity with each reading. Returning to a book allows children more time for word recognition and reading comprehension. Rereading familiar favorites is a bedtime routine the whole family can enjoy. If you'd like to find out more about supporting early literacy at home, visit our website at washoecountylibrary.us. Have fun and happy reading!